Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find like the cupcakes, the hot dog, and like the dresses that are not on display on the new Dress to Impress update. So if you go to this corner here, you'll be able to find the Easter dress, the cupcake here, and the hot dog. As you can see, the dress is here. I don't have it, so I can't put it on, but the hot dog's here, and then the cupcake is here. Okay, so if you want to find the Lana dress, you'll be able to find it here where it usually is. Put it on, and as you can see, you have it on. I have a mermaid outfit so you can't see it, but let me just take off some of the items here, like the tail and stuff. And then, as you can see, it's here. But yeah, that is where all of the items are. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.